Hey guys, this is Quentin and this is Zes'T, my good friend who is learning yo-yoing right now. And today we are gonna open my last sponsorship package. I actually know what there is inside, but I know a lot of you want to know too. And I didn't want to make that video, but because some of you asked me on Facebook, thought that could be fun. So thank you for filming, dude. Scissors. Just need a bed before that, sorry. Want one?
Thanks.
Okay. So, I never be good at opening package, and I don't want to hurt that YoYoJam letters. So, let's go slowly. Well, I don't care actually. Oh. So every year we have a Christmas package and we can ask what we want. Of course not too much, but... And I was very disappointed not to have them this time. So I asked if there is some products in stock I could get. And I've got them, so here is my package. It's like a late Christmas present. No. Sorry. And here is some bubbles. You love to do that too, I know. Zes'T dress. Actually, I had only two Zes'T dress at the last contest, and I don't know which yo-yo I'm gonna use at TYYC yet, but if I'm not sponsored by any other brand, maybe I will take that one, and I need more, so I asked a few one. So I had two, no, three, four. Good to have some red one, by the way. Five. Wow, this is awesome, just spin that. And a lot of bubbles.
It's the most inventions of yo-yo.
And of course, I asked for some strings. Some white string. Yellow strings. Other yellow strings. And one more pack of yellow strings. A go big, because I always love it. I don't want to use that at contests, but just to play, it's so fun. And a 1A1 diamond back too. You see, Tyler, I finally got it. I already love it. So let's try. But not with yellow string, not with white strings. I need the yellow one, because for Christmas I've got some black light here. And it's gonna be fun to try the yo-yo. Let's try. Hey. Look how my beautiful collection is with this light.
It's very, very beautiful.
It's amazing. So fucking happy. Oh. Oh. Sounds good, it feels good. It's, oh. Yeah. I tried in Tokyo, but I didn't remember how it feels really. Cool. Awesome. with yellow string, of course. Oh. So many. Want to see a new tricks? Something I found today?
Yeah!
I never thought I could hit it on the first try. Okay, that was the last YoYoJam package unboxing, sorry. So, hope you like it, and goodbye YoYoJam, thanks for everything, and see you at next contest, guys. Bye bye.